Future Bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. Today we are talking about 7 self-help book topics that are guaranteed to make money. I'm Lisa Daly. Thanks so much for watching today. If you want to write a book that you are super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. I'm going to be putting up a ton of new videos to help you do just that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss a thing. And while you're down there, hit that little bell to make sure that you get notified every time I post new writing videos. So today we are talking about 7 self-help topics that are guaranteed to make money. And the reason for this is that these are issues that people have been dealing with for a really long time. And so you may feel like you see the same topics over and over again in the self-help section with just a new spin on them. And the fact is, that's the truth. And that's because there are some issues that human beings can never solve for ourselves. And that's where you come in. You've got all the answers, right? Yeah. Number 1, how to make money. This is the perennial favorite, and there are always new books on the market that tell you how to make more money, how to make money faster, or how to make money without actually working very much. And these books are extremely popular, and the reason for that is that most people would like to have more money. Number 2, how to get more power. And this category definitely started with one of the most famous self-help books of all time, How to Win Friends and Influence People. But this topic is just as popular today as it was when Carnegie wrote his original classic. If you understand the way to help people feel more powerful in their lives, whether it's their business lives, their personal lives, in their friendships, in situations where they feel powerless, you are onto something big. Number 3, how to be happier. So for years, the most popular class at Harvard University was a class on how to be happier. And this is a topic that's only grown in popularity over the last decade. That said, if you know the secret to happiness, write a book about it, because there are a lot of people who want to know the answer. Number 4, how to stop screwing up your own life. Lots of people struggle with making the same mistakes over and over again because they can't seem to get out of their own way. And if you can teach someone how to stop making the same stupid mistakes they've been making all their lives, you're going to sell a lot of books. Topic number 5, how to lose weight or get in shape. Books that tell you how to lower the number on the scale have been topping the charts of the bestseller list for decades. The most popular books in the last 20 years on dieting and losing weight or getting into shape promise quick fixes. And this is because while there are gyms and delicious food all around us, most of us don't actually want to give up our Cheesecake Factory, myself included. So if you found a way to lose weight while you can eat ice cream sandwiches and drink Coke all day, call me. Send me a copy of the manuscript. I will be the first person to buy your book. And I'll bet there'll be about 1 million people in line right behind me. Number 6, how to get more love, sex, or dates. Again, this is a perennial favorite. We are always looking for the next way to find that person that we really connect with, or to get more relationship satisfaction from the relationship that we're already in, or to get more sex from people that we meet on Tinder. So whether you want to write a book about finding Ms. Right or Ms. Right Now, one of the most popular topics for self-help books are dating, relationships, and sex. And that was the topic of my own first self-help book, Stop Getting Dumped. And I went back to the well 3 more times with How to Date Like a Grown-Up, Is He Cheating, and Is She Cheating? And topic number 7, how to get closer to God, find your own spirituality, or unleash the power of the universe. Self-help books on religion and spirituality are among the most popular self-help books. And if your book is religious, you may actually have an advantage. Books like A Purpose-Driven Life were able to tap into a network of churches and sell millions and millions of copies because churches used the program outlined in the book as a way to educate their parishioners. The most important thing to remember about self-help books is that you are solving a problem for the reader. You're either taking away their pain or you're giving them a way to be happier, or at least a way that they believe they'll be happier. And most of these books fall into these two different categories. Either I could use this to make my life better, or I can use this to make my life not suck so much. So if you've got a great idea for a self-help book, especially one that falls within these categories, you definitely want to check out my video right here about the 9 things you must include in your self-help book. It's a best-selling self-help structure that actually teaches you exactly how to outline your self-help book from start to finish. I think it'll be really helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to write a self-help book that you are super proud of and get it published, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell. I'll be posting lots of new videos to help you do that, and I don't want you to miss a single one, including this one. All right, everybody, see you next time.